Although a pillow might seem like a minor detail in home design, it's a great example to help us understand UV unwrapping in Blender. In this video, we'll learn how to apply the same texture to both sides of a pillow, using the texture atlas we created in the previous tutorial. First, in the viewport, click on the pillow object to select it. Then, go to the Properties editor and open the Materials tab. Under Base Color, click the folder icon to open the image selection window. Double-click on the image named Pillow to apply it. You'll immediately see the texture applied to the pillow in the viewport. In the next step, we'll ensure it appears correctly on both sides using UV Unwrap. As we can see, the front face of the pillow includes all 4 areas of the texture atlas. At the top, we'll select UV Editing. This opens a layout split into 2 main areas. On the left, we have the UV Image Editor, where we can see the UV map of our object. On the right, we have the 3D viewport, where our model is displayed in edit mode. To view the pillow clearly on the right side, press the Del key on your numpad to frame the selection, and then adjust your view using the rotate gizmo as well as zooming in and out with your mouse wheel. Since the window layout might be a bit narrow, let's display the menu in the 3D viewport. Then, using the mouse wheel, we'll scroll and choose Material Preview as the viewport shading option. Next, in the 3D viewport, we'll go to the Select menu and choose Select All to select all the faces of the pillow. Then, in the UV menu, we'll choose the Unwrap command. In the UV Editor window, we'll adjust the view using the Zoom and Pan controls. As we look at the UV map, we notice that both sides of the pillow are unwrapped onto the same area. This wasn't exactly what we expected. However, since we imported the pillow from Sweet Home 3D, it inherited the UV map created by its original author. In our case, this actually works in our favor, because we want both sides of the pillow to share the same texture. Now, let's select the area of the texture map that we want to apply to both sides of the pillow. In the UV Editor window, go to the Select menu and choose All. By activating the Move tool from the toolbar, we can drag the UV map over the texture image. As we do this, we can see the changes in real time in the 3D viewport. To rotate the UV map, simply activate the Rotate tool. To resize it, use the Scale tool. However, the most powerful option is the Transform tool, which combines Move, Rotate, and Scale into one. Let's use the Transform tool to position the text texture on both sides of the pillow. Using the scale handles, you can scale the map horizontally or vertically. If you grab the corners, you can scale in both dimensions at once. And with the top rotation handle, you can rotate the UV map easily. Finally, the Grab, Relax, and Pitch commands in Blender's UV Editor are useful for fine-tuning the UV map. However, when we return to the layout and rotate around the pillow, we can see that the text on the back side appears mirrored. In the next video, we'll completely take apart the cushion to sew a different fabric on each side. Get your scissors, needles, and threads ready, and don't miss it. We'll be waiting for you.